Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to share live location on Google Maps. To share your live location on Google Maps, first of all, open up the Google Maps application on your phone. And once you're in, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture or initial. This will then bring up this expanded menu where you'll need to tap on location sharing. Click on share location on the next page and then you can select who you want to share your location with. You can choose contacts from your Google contact list, which should appear right here on this page. Or you can also tap on more option and click on copy to copy it on your clipboard. And you can now go ahead and share this link via any application. You can also choose how long you want to share your location by tapping on this time over here and choosing, ranging from 1 hour to indefinitely. So that is how you will be able to share your live location on Google Maps. Simply make sure to select the recipient and then you have successfully shared your location. The recipient will receive a link to your real-time location. You can stop the location sharing anytime by tapping on the Stop Sharing Location button. This feature is handy for letting others know your whereabouts, especially when you're traveling or meeting up with someone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.